Hello everyone, welcome to your Chinese class. Today we're going to learn from the beginnings, Chinese alphabet. We call it Pinyin. Look at this board. It contains everything about Chinese alphabet. Here we have initials, finals, fixed syllables, and tones. Initials means that you have to put this first, right? And then finals, you put this after the initials. That's why it's called finals. And then this one is fixed syllables. Fixed syllables has its own pronunciation, so it cannot combine with the initials and finals. It's their own thing. So all you need to remember is fixed syllable itself. And then last, we have tones. We have the first, second, third, and fourth. Now let's learn Pinyin. The first one, initials. Look what we have here. 波 坡 摸 佛 的 特 呢 了 个 科 和 鸡 七 西 知 吃 诗 日 子 次 思 一 乌 波 坡 摸 佛. They put this one after because of it will sound much more obvious. They can recognize more. If they don't put this one, it's gonna sound like pa, 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 pa. It's really light. This one they put this one. 的 特 呢 了. And this one as well. 个 科 和, right? After here, it's actually really easy because it sounds like English. For example, this one, bag. This one, mom. This one, gas, right? Hat. 鸡 qi xi. We put this one, yi, after this. So it's 鸡 qi xi. We put the pronunciation right in front, and then we kind of like have a little bit smile. 鸡 qi xi. We have 知 吃 shi. We circle our mouth, say 知 吃 shi日 日. We circle our mouths to say 日 zi, kind of smile, zi, zi, ci, ci, si. It's like a snake. Si. This one is yi, yi. U, we circle our mouths a bit small. U, u. So let's go again of our initials. 波 坡 摸 佛 的 特 呢 了 个 科 和 鸡 七 西 知 吃 诗 日 子 次 思 一 乌. Look at the finals. A, o, i, u, ü. The first line, you don't change the shape of your mouth. So the first one, open your mouth really wide. ah, ah, oh. This one, you open your mouth smaller, e, oo, oo. Close a bit of your mouth like this shape. Oo, oo, ü, like a circle, and you put your sounds right in the front. Ü, ü. So let's read it again. A, o, e, u, ü, I, a, way, ow, o, you, ye, yue, The first one, I. You open your mouth and you close a little bit later. I, a, way. You close your mouth a little bit and then you open up. Way, ow. You open and then close a bit. Ow, oh, yo, yeah, yue, Let's read one more time. I, a, way, ow, o, you, ye, yue, an, in, when, yun. So this line we use our nose to pronounce, but in the front sound. An, in, when, yun, on, in, on. You use back your nose. On. You will realize that the sounds are more back. In, on. Now let's learn fixed syllables. Zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, yi, u, yu. So look at this. Remember this, how does it sound like? Zhi, chi, shi. So if we put this one, it's still pronounced like zhi, chi, shi. Remember how this sounds? Ri, zi, ci, si, yi. You put this one, also sounds like ri, zi, ci, si, yi. Remember how this sounds? It sounds like u, right? If you put this little letter, it also sounds like u. This one is yu, ye, yue, in, yuan, yun, ying. So start from this one. Ye. This one. Yue, in, yuan, yuan, yun, ying. Let's read the fixed syllables again. zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, yi, u, yu, ye, yue, in, yuan, yun, in. You have learned everything. Now let's form pinyin together. Let's grab this one initials, put in front. This one is 波. And let me have this one, finals, put after. This one is 啊. Together, 波, 啊, 吧. Remember where we put the tones? In the finals, right? But we only can put upon one letter. For example, and where do we put? We can put here. The more you practice, the more you will realize where to put the tones. So we put the first tone. The first one is the flat tone. We say ba, ba, ba. It doesn't change anything. Let's say the second, it's a rising tone. So it's ba, ba, ba. The third one is a falling and rising tone. It's ba, ba, ba. And then the fourth one is falling tones. We say ba, ba, ba. Now let's get something else to try, like this one. This one is si. For example, if we put this, it cannot work, even though initials combines with finals. But sometimes if they combine together, it doesn't have the word. So it cannot pronounce like this. It doesn't form anything. So what you should do is grab the characters with the pinyin and then start reading and recognizing. And guess another one. For example, si can do with the i, together. Like this. Xiang, where do we put the tones? In this circumstance, we put right here. It's called xiang, xiang. Most of here only can go with one initial and one final. But there are circumstances like this. You put one i and then something else. For example, qi, yi, an, qian, xi, yi, an, xiang. And the second tone, xiang, xi, yi, an, xiang, xi, an, xiang. And then the third one, xi, an, xiang, xi, an, xiang. And then the fourth one, xi, yi, an, xiang, xi, an, xiang. Look at this. Fixed syllables. Remember, fixed syllable cannot go with initials and finals. So we just make our own thing. For example, zhi, we say the first tone, zhi, 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 zhi. I say this one. This one is yue. I say the first tone, yue. The second tone, it doesn't have second tone as a character. So the third, it doesn't have as well. So the fourth one, yue, yue. Congratulations! Now you learned everything about Chinese alphabet. If you have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next lessons. Bye!